Yo, what's up guys? Section 9 on the 12-step copywriting tutorial thing. Number 9, inject scarcity. Most people take their time responding to offers even when they aren't irresistible. There are many reasons why people procrastinate on investing in a solution. To motivate people to take action, they usually need an extra incentive. Remember when I said that people are more motivated to act by the fear of loss rather than gain? That's exactly what you are doing when you inject scarcity into your letter. Okay, now, there's a couple ways we can do this scarcity thing. Okay, we can either do time, or we can do the amount of units that we'll sell. So for something like this, because, I mean, we could do actually both. Could run two separate campaigns. Like this would be something you could test, right? Could have one sales page that, talks about, oh, we're only going to sell 11 copies of this. We're only going to sell 11 licenses or whatever. We're giving away 11 pixels, whatever. Or you could say this offer is only valid for 24 hours, flash sale, or 48 hours or a week or whatever. For this one specifically, I think it's more plausible to put a limit on the amount of people that can use it. Because theoretically, this is, when I heard about this, I was thinking to myself, like, okay, this is like, if everybody's doing this, then it's going to get saturated. You know what I mean? So, like, obviously, you can only do this for, like, I don't know, 13. Let's go with 13, right? Charge like $3,000 for it. So what is that, 40 grand? That's not bad. 40 grand is not bad. Oh my God, I'm like eating like tuna fish every night. Okay, so here we go. And this again, we'll edit later. I don't feel like doing that now. It's not the point of this video. All right, so here we go. All right, what are we gonna say here? In a perfect world, we'd all be able to. Now, if you're like me, when I heard about all of this, well, Bill told me about all of this, I was practically foaming at the mouth with the desire to start implementing it into action. All I had to do was push traffic. I could do that all day with tools like Hygenbot. And unlike you, I had the luxury of time on my side. Since I was had been vetted by John, I knew that I could go into business with Bill. We could partner on something because it would be mutually beneficial arrangement for both of us. Unfortunately for you, that's just not the case. See, in your situation, you are sadly at my mercy. If you understand the power of what I've described in this sales letter, then you know that you can pretty much just switch on that we've developed a faucet of sorts that will, instead of pouring water, pour out ClickFunnels affiliates into your account. as you can imagine, that power can't be distributed to everyone. If it did, then the method would become saturated and it wouldn't work for anyone. Prisoner's dilemma at its finest. So instead, here's what we're going to do. We're only going to be offering this opportunity to the first 13 people who sign up for it using the link below. Number 14, oops. No automatic ClickFunnels affiliates for you. You dilly-dallied and were smelly number 14. Oops. I like to keep it real. You know, that's just me. Okay, what are we doing here? So in other words, this offer isn't going to stick around for very long. And not only that, once we get our 13 clients, we won't be taking on any more until one of them cancels. Otherwise, that just wouldn't be fair to them or to you. If you decide to become one of them, then it wouldn't be fair to you. Oh my goodness, I'm exhausted. All right. To be honest with you, I don't know how long this offer is going to stick around. I mean, I'm very happy with the work, with the tech, with the technology myself. Bill has helped me get to 200 affiliates faster than I ever thought possible, faster than I ever would have been able to get there on my own. He's essentially cut down the amount of time that he's essentially shaved off 2 years. 2 years off of my professional development. All with one little pixel. If you want to take the chance that this offer will get snapped up by someone who gets it and is ready to pull the trigger right this second, well, I don't know what to tell you. Enjoy your mediocrity. Enjoy your mediocrity, or I guess I won't be seeing you. Guess I won't be seeing you in Tokyo anytime soon. I guess enjoy your mediocrity. That's a little harsh, but like, I don't know. We'll leave it in there. We'll see. Okay. Now we've run out of sections, but we'll take care of that in the next video.